Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Do you want to travel to Egypt? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience a wonderful journey through Egypt with a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please try to find the answer while watching the video. So here is today's question. How many times bigger than Japan is Egypt? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
So, Ellie, our next holiday is coming soon. Do you have any ideas for where to go?
I have been thinking about it a lot. I want to go somewhere special this time. Not a beach, not a city, something really different from our usual trips.
Somewhere special and different. How about Egypt?
Egypt? Like pyramids and the desert?
Yes, pyramids, ancient temples, the Nile River, amazing food, and so much history. There is so much to see and do there.
That sounds really exciting. I've always wanted to see the pyramids with my own eyes. But is it easy to travel around Egypt?
Well, here's the thing. Egypt is a very big country. It is about 2.6 times bigger than Japan, so it takes a long time to go from place to place.
2.6 times bigger than Japan? That is huge.
Yes, and the famous places are far from each other. The pyramids are in one area, and the temples are in another area, so we need to spend a lot of time on the road between them.
I see. That is the hard part of traveling in a big country. You spend a lot of time just moving.
Exactly. But that's okay. Long drives can be interesting too. You can see the desert, small towns, and everyday life from the car window.
That is a good way to think about it. The drive is part of the adventure.
Exactly. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to Egypt.
Yes, I am so excited. First, I really want to see the pyramids. Let's start with the famous pyramids in Giza.
Me too. The Pyramids of Giza near Cairo will be our first stop.
Oh my, Sam, look at that. The pyramids are right in front of us. They are so big, much bigger than I thought.
I know. I cannot believe we are really here. Seeing them in person is completely different from pictures. These pyramids are about 4,500 years old.
4,500 years? That is so long ago. How did people build something so big?
They used millions of stones, millions and millions of stones. Each stone is very heavy, and we still have many questions about how they built it. Scientists have some ideas, but there is still so much we do not understand.
That is amazing. It is not just a triangle, it is a work of art. A really, really old work of art made by very smart people.
I agree. Oh, Ellie, look over there. Do you see those camels? Do you want to ride a camel?
A camel ride next to the pyramids? Yes, of course. Let's do it.
Great, let's go.
Oh, wow, this camel is very tall. I did not think it would be this tall.
Hold on tight. When the camel stands up, it moves forward and backward a lot. It can be scary.
Wow, you were right. That was so scary. But now it is actually really fun.
You look great up there. Let me take a photo of you with the pyramids behind you. Perfect.
Thank you. This is going to be my favorite photo from this trip. Okay, next, let's go see the Sphinx. I heard it is very close to the pyramids.
Yes, it's just a short walk from here. Let's go.
There it is, the Great Sphinx, a famous stone statue. It has the face of a person and the body of a lion.
Yes, it is one of the most famous statues in the world. It has been sitting here for thousands of years.
Look at the face carefully. The nose is gone. What happened to it?
Nobody knows for sure what happened to the nose, but here is something interesting. It had a beard long ago. The Sphinx had a long beard.
A beard? Really? I did not know that. Where is it now?
The beard broke off a long time ago, and now part of it is in a museum in London.
So the Sphinx is in Egypt, but its beard is in London. Even without the beard and the nose, it is still beautiful.
It really is. It is the face of Egypt. People all around the world know this face.
I feel like I could stand here and look at it all day, but we should keep going. Our next stop is Luxor Temple, right? I am excited to see it.
Yes, Luxor is far from here, so we need to get ready for a long trip. Here we are, Luxor Temple, in the city of Luxor in southern Egypt. Finally here after the long drive.
It was a long drive, but it was worth it. Look at these columns. They are so tall, and there are so many of them.
This temple is connected to ancient kings. The kings of ancient Egypt built this place a very long time ago. Many different kings worked on it over many years.
Look at the walls. There are pictures and writing everywhere. I can see pictures of people, animals, kings, and gods.
Yes, these pictures tell stories from history, stories from thousands of years ago, ancient stories about ancient kings and their lives.
I feel like I am in history. I feel like I am walking through a history book right now. It is not just a building. It feels alive.
That is exactly what it feels like. It is pretty quiet right now. Just us and these ancient walls. There are not too many people here at this time.
I love it. It is so peaceful and beautiful. Okay, Sam, I heard the Valley of the Kings is not too far from here. Can we go see it next?
Of course. The Valley of the Kings is a must-see. Let's go.
So this is the Valley of the Kings. It looks very dry and hot. This is where the kings of ancient Egypt are buried.
Yes, many kings of ancient Egypt have their tombs here. It is one of the most important places in the history of the world.
Which tomb is the most famous one?
That would be King Tutankhamun. Most people call him King Tut for short. He was a very famous king of ancient Egypt.
I know that name. Everyone has heard of King Tut. But why is he so famous?
Well, he became king when he was very young. He was only about 9 years old when he became king. Can you imagine? Just a child.
9 years old? That is hard to believe.
Yes, and he was famous, but he was young. His time as king was short. He died when he was only about 19 years old, very young.
19? That is so young. That is really sad. He was just a teenager.
Yes, it is sad. But when people found his tomb many years later, it was full of gold in beautiful things. Nothing was taken. That is why he became so famous.
That is an amazing story. It is a little quiet and a little strange here. I can feel the history all around us.
Yes, let's be quiet and take a moment to feel this special place. After this, let's go explore the streets and see everyday life in Egypt. I want to show you the real Egypt.
I would love that. Let's go.
Ellie, look at the Nile River. It is so big and beautiful.
The area near the river is so green. There are trees and farms everywhere near the water.
But look over there, just a little bit away from the river, it is all desert, nothing but sand.
That is such a big difference. Green on one side and sand on the other. The river is the heart of this country.
Exactly. Without the Nile, this country cannot live. The Nile gives water for drinking, for farming, for everything.
Oh, look, that man is smiling and waving at us.
Egyptian people are very friendly. They love to talk to visitors. They always ask, "Where are you from?"
That is nice. But I also noticed many people try to sell things to us on the street.
Yes, that happens a lot. It is very normal here. Just smile and say no thank you.
Good to know. Oh, Sam, I noticed something interesting today. The restaurants and cafes were very quiet during the day, but tonight the streets are so busy and full of people. Why is that?
That is because it is Ramadan right now. During Ramadan, many people do not eat or drink during the day. They wait until the sun goes down. At night, the city becomes very lively. Everyone goes out and eats together.
That is really interesting. I love learning about different cultures.
Oh, one more thing. I should tell you this because it is important for travelers. In many places in Egypt, you cannot put toilet paper in the toilet. You cannot flush it.
Really? Oh, I did not know that. What do you do with it then?
You put the paper in the small trash can next to the toilet. The water pipes are old and small, so paper can block them.
Oh, that is different from what I am used to. Good to know. Okay, I'm getting hungry. Let's find some local food. I want to try koshari, that popular Egyptian dish.
Great idea. I know a good restaurant near here. Let's go.
So this is the famous koshari, a popular Egyptian dish. I have been waiting to try this. What exactly is in it?
It has rice, pasta, beans, and tomato sauce. Everything is mixed together in one big bowl.
Rice and pasta together in the same bowl? That is a very interesting combination. I have never seen that before.
It is the national food of Egypt. Almost everyone eats it. Rich people, poor people, young people, old people. Everyone loves koshari. And it is very cheap, and you get a lot of food for the price.
Let me try it now. Oh wow. It looks simple, but it is very good. The tomato sauce has a nice mix of spicy and sweet flavors. I really like it.
I told you, koshari is one of my favorite things about Egypt. Simple but delicious.
I could eat this every day and never get tired of it.
That is how most Egyptian people feel about it too. So, after dinner, do you want to do something special? How about a boat ride on the Nile River?
A cruise on the Nile River? Yes, absolutely. That sounds like the perfect way to end our trip.
Look at the sunset over the water. The sky is turning orange, pink, and purple. It is so beautiful.
It is so beautiful. I have no words. The boat is moving very slowly and gently. I feel so calm and peaceful right now. This is perfect.
You know, the Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. People have been living near it and sailing on it for thousands and thousands of years. We are part of that long history right now.
That is amazing to think about. Thousands of years of people looking at this same river under this same sky.
So, Ellie, our trip is almost over. What do you think? How was Egypt for you?
Sam, this trip was special. Really special. The pyramids, the Sphinx, the temples, the food, the people, and this beautiful river. I will never forget it.
I feel the same way. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. I want to come back again. I want to see even more of this wonderful country.
Then let's start planning our next trip. There is still so much to see.
Yes. Thank you, Egypt. This was a wonderful trip.
Thank you, Egypt. We will be back.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English travel story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. How many times bigger than Japan is Egypt? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.